Hi guys, welcome to another edition of TCW TV. Are you taking the mick out of my hands?
Spirit fingers.
Do I always do that?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I might have to stop that one. Welcome to another edition of TCW TV. We're down at Donington Park today. It is probably going to be the last track day of the year. One, because the weather's terrible, and two, we're just about to go into another lockdown, so I don't know if we're going to get out again before the end of the year. So we're going to take the Mini GP out. I've never been on Donington Park before. You been on Donington before?
Only spectating.
I've never actually been. We've never been at the track, so we'll take the GP out, see what it can do, and we'll go from there. I've made a few bloopers already. We're doing a bit of filming yesterday. I was in a little bit of fluster on her, and I forgot my helmet, as you do when you come to a track day. So I've actually had to borrow Aaron's wife's helmet, which is extra small, and I don't know if you've noticed, I've got an extremely massive head, so hopefully this will fit me. Let's see what we can do anyway. So we're just going to head out. I'm going to see if this will fit on my big bonds. Let's see what happens. Well, that is a bit snug. I suppose it is supposed to be snug. Let's give it a go. I do want to apologise today as well. Because of all the filming yesterday, we had no time to clean the car, so it is filthy. So the outside shots will be terrible. Oh, let's get us in GP mode and in that. There's some fast cars here today. A lot of McLarens, a lot of M Sports. Yeah, so it should be good today. Hopefully we're not going to get out in too much traffic. Not too much behind us. Off we go. Oh, it is a little bit slippy. Let them tyres warm up, Matt. So we've been out for a sighting lap. So we've got a rough idea how the track runs. I'm not going to lie though, we don't know it properly yet. So we'll take it a little bit easier. We'll let these tyres warm up. There was some plonker on the sighting lap that actually came off the track. I don't know how you do that on a sighting lap, but let me just get past this fella here. And again. He's got some problems with that car, smoking a bit. This is a funny one because the sun's in your eyes, so you whack on the brakes now and you turn straight in. Quite a fast car on this one when your tyres are warm, and straight out. So at the moment we've got a wet track, then a dry track, and it just keeps changing. Oh, nearly went then. There we go, foot down, off we go. So we're just trying to do a quick run through. So this is your start point here. As you're coming through to Redgate. You can hit that quite hard and you can put your power down all the way through to Hollywood. And then for me, obviously my ability is very limited, but for me from Hollywood onwards, it's literally foot down, no brakes, all the way through Craner Curves. Just before you come to Old Hairpin, you're slamming on the brakes. And then you come into Starkey's Bridge, and again foot down all the way straight down to McLean's. So you're hard on the brakes, you turn right in, and then you straight up the hill and you come round, and then you straight down the home straight, and then through, this time we're going through the chicanes, so you're going through Roberts, and then you're in the Wheatcross straight. brake. Jesus Christ. Two more. There you go. Overcooks that one.
Yeah.
So we've done a few laps now. The track started to dry up. Tyres are getting sticky. There was unfortunately a little bit of a crash, so we've had to have a break while they get the car off the track. Everyone's all right though. It went into the gravel trap. So let's get out again and see what we can do. I'm not looking forward to putting this helmet on. It is tiny and my head is massive. I think I can only really do 3 laps at a time, or this helmet just starts killing me. Right, off we go. In GP mode, sport, there you go. Let's see if we can sneak out here with these boys. Off we go. Let it warm up. Or maybe not, let's give it a slide. There you go. So throw it in. Oh, yes. Sound like the Churchill dog. Look at this little classic car. Can't see what it is. I think it's a Volvo. I'm not going to look now. Let's get past this Megane. I'm saying it's a Megane, is it a Clio? There we go. A lot of traffic. Let's see if these boys are going to let us pass. Off we go. We've actually only done a few laps and we've already used a full tank of petrol. We've got Bedworth up in front. Let's see if we can catch him up. He's in the Nissan 350Z. Let's get past this GTR. Let's just throw it through this corner, all the way round. Went then, I'm not gonna lie, I was nearly off. I love it, absolutely love it. What a great car. I'm not going to say amazing because everyone keeps pulling me up on saying amazing all the time, and the fact that I need a thesaurus and I need to get some better words in my vocabulary. So that was special, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, amazing. Well, we had a good run. I've got to get this helmet off. It is absolutely killing my head. I think we went out to do 3 laps. I think we ended up doing probably 5 or 6. We need some petrol. We've got absolutely 0 fuel in there, but it was good. I think that was my most confident lap. Like I said, the tyres were sticky. I can feel them picking up all the gravel now. And we'll keep it up with some of the cars. Great little run. Happy. So we've got the GTR boys here. This one's been spitting flames all day. Yes, there's some Bobby Dazzler cars here. These cars have been very fast. So we've got the Renault RS. Here's looks like Team BMW. I think these are around about 150 grand each. Correct me if I'm wrong, or tell me if I'm wrong. These have probably been the fastest cars today on the track. I've been trying to keep up with them bad boys all day, struggling, but doing my best. Again, not through lack of the Mini doing any performance, it's just me and my driving. So we've got the Mark III Mini here, you've seen this out on the track. Slipping, sliding around, proper Mini. No offence to the GP. And then then you've got the Volvo that you've seen out on the track. This is probably my favourite of the day. Allegedly cruising around at Donington. So we're halfway through the day at Donington Park. What a special day it's been. The track has been absolutely fantastic. The GP, as always, impressing me. It's very sticky in the corners. It's keeping up with the big boys, and I suppose we're using it for its true purpose. It's been built to be a track car, and what an amazing track car it is. So a couple of facts for you. We're halfway through the day and we've already used 2 tanks of petrol. It's been great fun using 2 tanks of petrol. I'm probably going to be using maybe 3 or 4 tanks by the end of the day. So yeah, car's been fantastic. Donington Park is a beautiful place and a great track, and I look forward to coming back again. But for now, we're going to shut down for lunch. We're going to get some food to refuel ourselves, and then we're going to get back on the track this afternoon. So it's the second half of the day. We're all refueled. We've had some lunch, had a nice jacket potato in the facilities there. I've got to say, that's pretty good there. I've never seen anything like that before at a track day. So I'm really impressed with Donington. And what a great day it's been. We're with a great bunch of lads. Sometimes you can come to track days and you feel a little bit intimidated or a little bit bullied by some of the bigger boys. There's been none of that today. Everyone's been very good, especially the BMW boys. They're absolutely nailing it. They come past you, off you go, and it's great. It's great to see the mixture of cars and variety cars as well. You look at the little Mini that's out there, the real Mini. It's been great to see that obviously floating around. Then you've got the Volvo just cruising around. So there's a huge variety of cars here, some great people, and I've had a great day. And I'm looking forward to getting out there this afternoon. So let's get stuck in. Let's put this extra small helmet on. Off we go. And we've got everything tied up, not going to rock around. Right, let's get out there, see what we can do. Track is very busy because obviously everyone's just coming back off lunch. But let's see if we can get a clear run. Maybe we'll do 3 laps this time and then we'll come back in. I'll show these boys my arm. Cheers, mate. Well, let's follow the BMW boys. Hit the apex. Power out again. Not sure what these boys are doing. They're gonna let me past. He must have a problem with the car. He's let me through. Yeah. I think the tyres are starting to get warm now. There we go, we're away. This little Mini is fantastic. And I promise not to keep using the word amazing, but it is. There we go, look at that. We're pulling away from all the M4s. It does throw you off this corner. Throw it in, hit the apex, we're sliding a bit. There we go, we've got some grip now. What a cracking little track. Oh wow, I love this car, absolutely love it. Hit the corner, hit the post, there we go. To be honest, them first 3 laps, we absolutely nailed it then. Job's a good one. Job's a good one. Just for you, Steve, that was amazing. So that's it for another day. I've really enjoyed myself down here at Donington Park today. The GP has been spectacular as always, very grippy in the corners, great out the corners. It's a track day car, it's what it's made for. And we do intend to keep doing track days in the Mini GP. This will probably unfortunately be our last one as we're about to head into lockdown for the second time. And
to be honest, the weather's turning anyway, so we probably won't get much chance to come out, but going into 2021, we want to do a whole lot more track days. I am really enjoying them, and I hope for you guys are enjoying them too. I want to say a big thank you to Aaron for organising all these track days. I really appreciate it, and also a big thank you to Katie for letting me use her helmet today. Extra small, my head's been hurting all day, but I wouldn't be able to come today if it wasn't for your helmet, so thanks for that as well, Katie. So if you guys liking the videos, you want to see more track days in 2021, make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.